Alright, welcome back. Thanks for watching. I normally don't do a lot of these Vcarve Pro videos, only tutorials when people ask me how I've done something or how to do something. And I thought I'd give it a try because the last few I put up actually got some actually got good feedback. So I thought I'd roll with it, and this is a job I'm going to make as soon as I'm done with this video. So within the next few days it'll be up, depending on how long it takes me to actually make it and get the video edited together and that. But I would imagine within a couple days of this video being up, either me succeeding making this or me failing making this will be posted. So subscribe and come on back and check that out. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking that keychain fob logo that I made. I actually imported that from a picture of a sticker, and then I traced it because the bitmap didn't come through good at all. It was horrible. So I ended up tracing it line by line and then having to join all the vectors together. It was a headache. But I got it done. So now I'm making a bottle opener, and I want the bottle opener to be, I changed the dimensions already. This was originally the actual file I had for this little keychain fob that I did. But I changed the dimensions, and that's about all I did. Deleted all the toolpaths, and now I left the actual fast engraving or the text there, and I'm going to just slide that over. So I changed my dimensions to 4x6, 1/4 inch thick, and I want this to be about 6 inches in length. So I know I want for the whole thing, and I know I want the actual bottle opening part to be the last 1.5 or 2 inches of it. So what I'm thinking is, maybe I'm measuring the bottle opener up. I have a wine bottle opener in my hand right now. I'm measuring it, and this thing is it's about 2 inches wide, and that seems fairly comfortable. So I'm going to roll with that. We're going to make it 2 inches wide. Do I need a box? 2 inches wide by 4. Let's try that. Okay, we're going to create that and put that out. Center this just to get it onto our screen here. And now we're going to move it down. Okay. That is, for lack of a better term, I guess, the handle. Now what I'm going to do is, I think I'm just going to try to make an arc from this point. Zoom in as much as I can here. Get it exactly on. And move this up here. Yep, as much as I can go in. Right there. Boom. Now let's go to the other side. There. And now let's zoom back out again. Let's just measure that and see. One inch. Let me measure my trusty little wine bottle opener here. Oh, and I got an inside opening of less than an inch. I got just about 3/4 of an inch, just slightly more. And that will be my inside opening. I think that's going to do. I think that'll do nicely. So what if I go ahead and I'm going to I could trace this, boom. And I want to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put some guidelines up. Actually, you know what? I don't know if that's going to work. Okay, so what if we do this? We go, put a guideline in. I know just for structural integrity, I probably want at least, probably closer to a ½ inch between this bottom, because what I want to do is I want to flare this out. So I think I'll go down probably 3/4 of an inch. So we're going to put a guideline in. Oops. That's fine. We need vertical. I clicked on the wrong line, but we need verticals anyway. Put another one over here. Stop it. And now we'll put a horizontal. Okay. So we're going to go down 3/4 of an inch roughly from there. And that's close to 4 inches. It's not perfect, is it? Let's bring this down. Oh, that's 3.3. That'll do. Okay, and this is, let's go in here, let's zoom in. Okay, so from there, that's on the 1 inch, looks like, real near, close enough to, come on, looks like just over the ½ inch mark. So we'll take this to right there, just for the sake of keeping it even. And we'll do the same thing. Yep, that's ½ inch. Okay. The number shouldn't be wrong, but it just looked bigger than that for some reason. Then we'll take this one over here and we'll move it to 3.5. Oh, got to get up with that first. Okay, right there will do. And so now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an arc, and I'll go from here. Actually, do I want to do an arc? Let's see how it looks. There. And then I'll come, you know what? Stop. Let's put another guideline right here. Oops. Right there, or as close as I can get to it. Perfect. And then I'll take my arc, and I'll go from this point to this point and arc it. I guess do it to where it's square on that line there. Look at it, I'm not even touching. Undo. Control Z. Try that again. Zoom out a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Try that. Okay, and now let's do the same thing on this side. Actually, we should be able to just flip this. Mirror, left, boom, close. And now let's just take this over here and put it on those 2 points. It's not there. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe I should have just drawn a new one. There we go. So now, what if I just go... I wonder if I can just go like this. Boom. 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 Looks like a mushroom. I don't know. Let's see. Close out there. Let's measure it. I'm just afraid of it being too thin. It's just like a half an inch. Is a half an inch wide of 1/4 inch thick 6160 aluminum going to be strong enough to pop a top off over and over again and not bend? You know, he's not paying for this, and there's only one way to find out. Let's just go for it. He knows this is an experiment. Let's roll with it. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I want to stretch it a little. Oh, wait, can't. Next thing I have to do is I have to join all these vectors. I'm going to get these out of here. I'll need them later, but I'm going to get them out for now. Makes it easier to see. Okay, so I'm going to go right-click, select all open vectors. Okay, am I going to be allowed to... Yep, okay, good. Is it just me, or does that look lopsided? I guess not. Yeah, I guess it's fine. An inside opening of 1.9 inches wide. Let's measure my handy dandy little wine bottle opener. Let's see the inside. This is way too wide. It's too wide. I got an inside opening of like 1 1/8 at best. That's not gonna, I think that's too big. What if I go like this? This will actually be better because it'll give me more. Let's highlight that. And let's offset to the inside. 2/10 of an inch, it'll give me 0.4. Let's see what that looks like. Boom. And that's going to make, before I delete anything, let's measure this. 1.5, that'll do. That's 1.5 inches. How about this way? Just over 1/2 inch. Let's measure the height. Yeah, I have about 3/4 of an inch. But I think that would probably still work. Dilemmas. Let's delete this and see what it looks like. Delete. I wonder if I can just stretch this out a little bit. That looks better. Now let's measure it. Yep, just about, 7/10. Huh. We'll see. All right, so now you take this logo. Oh, I need my guidelines. So I'm thinking probably about 1/2 inch or so from each side. Just get them into place for now. So we're at 1 inch. Go to 1.5. Boom. And the same thing over here. We're going to go into no, that's too big. That's too much. I want it bigger than that. Take it to 5. 1.25 inches in. And then we'll go in, that's at 3, so we gotta go to 275. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that'll do. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move this little bad boy right there. Look at that, almost perfect. Make it a little bigger, a little longer. You know what? Since I have it 1.25 inches in, I should do the same on the bottom. Oops. Quarter. What? I said 1.25 inches, didn't I? I'm tripping myself right now. 1/4 inch. No wonder. I'm like, this just doesn't seem right. And might as well do it at the top too. Where is this at? This is at an even 4.2, so we got to go to 3.95. Boom. Now, all we got to do is just pull this side up and down. I got to zoom in for this. Now, let's start with the tool pass. Let's do the Vcarve first. We use an 1/8 inch end mill for an area clearance tool. We're going to go past dip to 0.3 or 0.3, 20 inches per minute. Yeah, that's probably fine. I don't need to go too fast. Okay, and then we're going to go... Yeah, that's probably deep enough. It doesn't need to be that deep. And we're going to use a 60-degree V-bit, and we're going to calculate that. Reset preview. Okay, now this is where it's going to get a little funky after this one here. This one's easy. I'm going to do a pocket tool path here. We're going to go 1/4 inch deep with an 1/8 of an inch end mill. 5 past dip 0.3, 20 inches per minute on feed. Let's do it. Calculate. Okay, so there's the actual business end of the bottle opener. Now, what I need to do here is I need to join those two lines. Yep, look, it's going to let me do it. Perfect. I hope. We'll find out. Now I need to go here to offset selected vectors. I need to select them outwards. I think 1/10 of an inch on each side. Let's try it. Oh, no. Damn it. Outwards. Let's go 2/10. Let's go 2/10. I think that'll do. Offset. Okay, close. Now, do it the last one, do it twice. See, what this is going to allow me to do is not cut a profile pass. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to come here, and I'm going to do a pocket tool path. Whoops. The same way I cut out the keychain fob. It takes a long time, but I think it's going to be much safer on my end mill bit, since I only have an 1/8 of an inch end mill. Let's try this. Going down 1/4. 20 inches per minute. Yep. Calculate. Oops. Calculate. Preview. Yeah, I don't like that. Why did it do that? Seems weird to me. What did I do wrong? You know what I might be able to do? Let's try this. It's ungroup objects, back onto original object layers. Let's get this thing out of here. Okay. And then let's group them back again. And then let's edit that. We're going to hold shift, we're going to select the lettering, and we're going to select this. Oh, no, I can't. No, that won't work. I think it's going to mill too much. Let's try it. I don't think that's going to work. Yeah, no, see, it mills all this down. Okay. Undo. Reset. Undo. 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 There we go. So I have to make this a little smaller, I think. Let's try that. Edit and 460 degrees, 1/8 inch. Reset preview, preview. What happened there? Oh. Whoops. Helps to select the right. See, that's what happens. When you click on the edit, it's going to automatically, watch, edit, it automatically lights up what you had selected in the previous that you're trying to edit out. And by not switching the highlighted part, you're essentially not changing anything. Reset preview. Now, let's go back to this. Close that. I'm going to edit this one. And calculate. Much better. And let's go ahead and view. Nope. Now I just slid it too far the other way. Okay. Well, let's meet in the middle here. Why? It's not up there. That's what I'm not understanding here. You know what? Let's delete all these. Do them all over again. Vcarve. Everything should still be set the way it was. Reset preview. Alright. And close. Pocket. Boom. And shift and pocket 1/4 inch deep. Yep. No, I have a larger tool, clearance tool. There we go. Much better. Looks pretty symmetrical. Maybe not perfect, but I think it's fine. Well, let's do this. I'm going to get off of here. I'm going to post this video. And if there's time, I'm going to go out my garage and I'm going to make this bad boy. And hopefully about 2 days from now at most, and I might be able to finish it. Let's see. Pocket 5 is going to take 1 hour and 10 minutes. Pocket 4 is going to take 20 minutes. The Vcarve takes 45 minutes. And 9 minutes on the pocket, so an hour. It's going to take about 2.5 hours-ish. I'm not going to finish it today, but I can get it started today. And hopefully about 2 days after this video is posted, there'll be either a fail or a succeed video for this. So I appreciate you guys watching. hopefully, hopefully it was amusing, and I try my best. I just wing it. I just hop on and learn and mess up, and I really don't care. I mean, if you gotta thumb my video down for it, believe me, I got people that thumb it down all the time. It makes me laugh. So, thanks for watching, but I'd like it if you thumbed it up, though. That would be even better. And hit the subscribe button, and hope you have a great day. Till the next video, I'm out.